Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, 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 hello. We ready?
Ready?
Hi guys, Mia from Mia's World and
Mr. Aerial Drone here.
welcome to our channel. A couple of hours ago, we had uploaded a video, and the video consisted of what had taken place on this particular sailing. Again, Independence of the Seas. In the video, we shared that we had an unofficial cruise to nowhere, and we were just doing sea days because of the impaction of tropical storm, which is now considered a hurricane, Hurricane Nicole. But according to the news we've received from Captain Gus, we will possibly be docking in Nassau, Bahamas tomorrow morning for a short port of call visit. According to what we're being told, we will be docking at about 9-ish tomorrow morning, which will be Thursday. And our all aboard time will be between 2 and 2:30. So we just wanted to jump up here and let you guys know that we will possibly be stopping in Nassau, Bahamas for a short port of call visit on tomorrow with the, what was it that they said? With it was something that they said that they're still monitoring it. Right now we're supposed to be on green, but we will know the final tomorrow morning. I'm not sure if it will be once we get closer to the Bahamas, but we'll know the final and we'll keep you updated if we are actually going to be stopping and able to get off the ship tomorrow in Nassau, Bahamas. One thing I will tell you, the closer that we are getting to the Bahamas, the water is getting a little bit more active. Not to the point where it was the first night, but you can tell that the seas are
Lively.
Or as they're saying on the ship, there is definitely motion in the ocean, and we are definitely feeling it. But again, just wanted to let you know, wanted to keep you updated because that's what we do. We will possibly be in Nassau, Bahamas tomorrow for a short visit from 9 to 2-ish. If we get off the ship, are we getting off the ship?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Aerial Drone wants to put his feet on land. So we will get off the ship and we will just keep you updated. That's what we do. That's what we're here to do. And again, thank you for keeping up with us. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button, share, and subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next video. This guy right here.